sitting here in business class of the Etihad Airways on the Boeing 787, and I was lucky that I was picked out to get a free upgrade from economy to business class. Funnily enough, I tried to get this upgrade yesterday online, and it didn't work out. Normally I would have to pay $230, but now I was picked out from the crowd because I was wondering why I could not pay for it last night, and the guy said, we'll give you a free upgrade to business class. Well, that's always a nice surprise, so I was happy to get that. I'll show you a little bit of the Etihad business class arrangement and let you decide. Etihad is a good airlines. I was flying economy, and I must say that the chairs in economy were very comfortable because they don't only recline, they also give you more space. Okay, we're just leaving now from Colombo airport, and here you can see a little bit of the business class. I have to respect people's privacy, so I can't do too much of it, but I must say I'm very happy about it. So later on I can show you what the food is like, and anyway, I'm very happy about it, and I think it helps if you dress up right for the flight, because maybe that was one of the reasons they picked me out. So wear a suit next time when you fly. It may help you getting an upgrade. Okay, see you later. For meals, I chose the smoked salmon. And for the main, I chose sea bass. And as dessert, ice cream. So no complaints, everything tastes very good. Well, this is the inside flight starter, and it looks very good. I'll let you watch the other meals too, but this is the starter. After we got some nuts and of course some bottled water. But this is the first course, not the main course. Well, this is the sea bass as main course. Looks very good. I'm sure I can enjoy this one.